Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I customize my CAPRISUNS. So let's get started. And for this tutorial we will need our sticker paper or shipping labels, our self-laminating sheets, our scissors, our CAPRISUNS. First we're going to print out our labels. And the first thing we're going to do, of course, is cut out our template. And then we're going to take our laminate, peel off the backing, lay it flat down. Then we're going to take our template and lay it face down onto the laminate. Remember to leave a little space on the sides, because that's what we will be securing, of course, our labels to the CAPRISUNS with. Sometimes I like to do a scrape. And then we're going to cut out our labels with the laminate, leaving a border like 1/4 of an inch. Then we're going to peel the backing from our label. Lay our CAPRISUN face flat, and we're going to place down our label. Then we're going to place down our CAPRISUN and give it a light roll. And there we have it, our beautiful custom CAPRISUNS. And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And for more videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay ambitious!